Hey guys, my name is Jack Tor and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello and welcome back to Real Moments in Life. Boy, do I have a special video for you guys today. Since I'm back in KL, we're going to be sampling a dish here that is very well known, Nasi Lemak. Join me today as I show you how it's made, taste it for the first time, and share my thoughts with you. I also get emotional when I receive a gift from a wonderful Malaysian worker. Let's start today by speaking with a friendly neighbourhood local store owner and see what products he sells and also say hello to his cute little kitten. Yeah, sit down.
Yeah, my friend.
Hello. So, what's your name?
Shah Alam.
Shah Alam. And is this your shop?
Yeah, this is my shop.
Awesome. And how long have you had this shop for?
1 year.
1 year. 1 year. Very good. It's a lovely shop. You have cold drinks, you have fresh fruits. Yeah.
Vegetable, rice, everything.
Awesome. Oil, shampoo, noodles. Very good shop. And local people come to this shop?
Yeah. So many people come.
That's good. That's good. Awesome. Okay, thank you, bro.
Okay,
thank you. Today we are trying the famous dish to Malaysia, Nasi Lemak. Nasi Lemak is an extremely famous dish here and Malaysia's #1 dish. Essentially what it is rice cooked in coconut milk, served with beans, egg, chicken and all other goodies. So I'm so excited to dig into this today, show you my experience on my first time trying Nasi Lemak. So come along with me today as we eat this here in KL. So I've just ordered my Nasi Lemak and a hot lemon tea. So let's go check it out and see how the hot lemon tea is made. So it's just lemon, hot water, and that's it.
Lemon and hot water.
No sugar, that's it.
Just a little bit.
Little bit of sugar. Okay, very good. That was
Sweet,
quick.
Right?
Yeah. That was quick. I couldn't get over there quick enough. You've already made it. And one Nasi Lemak, please.
Nasi Lemak.
Yes,
right.
please. All right. So I just got given my lemon tea while he makes my Nasi Lemak, which I'm gonna go over and film in a second. But let's give this a try. So it's hot water, a little bit of sugar, and lemon. Oh, you can tell it's very hot. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off that. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it is steamy. Ooh, that's really good. Really good on it, because it's actually raining, so it's a little bit, it's not chilly, but it's a little bit, you know, hot drink vibes. Okay, so we've got the coconut rice.
Yes.
And chili paste.
It's called sambal.
Sambal.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they're them dried fish. Hey, anchovy. Not anchovies. I forget the English name. Okay.
And me, I forgot it.
Chicken as well.
Yep. Oh, we don't have a chicken.
Don't have chicken. Okay.
But we have an egg. You want an egg?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Fried egg.
Yes. That'd be good.
Yeah.
That'd be good. Quite an open door kitchen too, which is what I like. They're just on the side of the road here in a shipping container. Very cool. It's a little bit of oil, fried egg. I'll try not to get in their way here. You know, I used to work in hospitality, bro.
Oh really? Yeah,
I was a cafe manager. Cafe manager, yeah.
Cool.
Used to make coffee and salads and
So you're a barista?
Barista, yes. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You can make one coffee for me.
Yeah, why not?
Sure?
Do you have a coffee machine or just?
A coffee machine, of course.
Yeah. Awesome. I am so excited to try this. You have no idea. This looks so good.
This is for
Okay,
you.
thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Oh, let's try this. Okay. So this is my first ever no, that's a lie. This is my second food video. My first one was trying out lobster, massive fish, squid in Thailand, all for like $25. I got all this seafood. I'll link the video up here. The table is so wet, guys. I'm trying to get the tripod to stay up because it just keeps on slipping. So let's dig into this. I sort of like to mix all my stuff together, but I think I might trigger a lot of people if I do that. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of everything. Coconut rice, and I believe you said the chili paste is sambo. Let me know in the comments if I'm saying that right. And then we have egg and a little bit. Oh, if I can break it.
Today, Junior!
A little bit of cucumber and some dried out fish as well. Alrighty. So let's give this a shot. Oh wow. That chili paste is hot. Boiled egg, fried egg are both lovely. That coconut rice. Oh wow, it's so fluffy in your mouth. So fluffy. I think that's the point of cooking it in coconut milk, is it makes it a lot more fluffy, rich and creamy. Lovely. The fish, the anchovies, beautiful too. Yeah guys, I can't complain. Really good. So I'm gonna dig into this, mix it all up, because that's how I like to do it. Got my lemon tea. Yeah, what more could you ask for? Okay, so I have polished that one off, and this is my very last bite. So good. Like, no wonder that this is Malaysia's most famous dish, because it's so easy to eat, and you have everything you need. You have your vegetables, you have your egg, you have your rice. So you've got your carbs, you've got your protein, you've got your vegetables, chili. I mean, and it's cheap. Like, what more could you ask for? It's a great breakfast, lunch, dinner. One thing that I noticed about this place and that I love is that they've got a tree growing just through their restaurant, and there's a hole in it so the tree can grow on through. Got these lovely plant growing up it. It's stuff like this that gets, you know, the restaurants that are immersed in nature. Like, we got another tree over here. It's just on the side of the road. It's so simple. Shipping container. I've actually had this dream of living in a shipping container one day. Like, have you seen on Facebook or YouTube those shipping container houses? That's something that I just love to live in. It's been amazing. I've went from 2,500 subscribers to 4,000 subscribers in a matter of like weeks. And by the time I upload this video, I'm sure it's going to be way more. So the love is really appreciative. Everyone in the comments is so awesome. They take their time to write something out, and I try to respond back to, or at least like, every comment. I've had a lot of comments recently, and I'm trying to keep it up. We're trying to keep out, get videos out and other admin things and booking flights and everything like that. But I love my job, and I'm so glad that I can share the world with you guys. Thank you so much, bro. How much?
Oh, it's okay, it's on me.
No.
It's okay, it's on me, man.
No.
It's okay. I also have a gift for you.
Oh, no.
This is actually a real leather.
What?
It's a handmade.
Dude.
For you, man.
But for me to accept that, let me pay for my meal. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
This is for you.
You have to do that, dude.
It's okay, man. I'm just paying back what you do it to me.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's nice.
Looks nice, right?
Yeah. You didn't have to do that, bro.
It's okay, man.
Thank you so much, dude. Thank you, bro.
Alright.
Thank
Alright,
you,
man.
Here.
See
Cheers,
you
bro.
when I see you?
Yeah. See you, bro.
Okay.
Thank you so much, bro. I
have
appreciate
a picture with you?
Yeah, of course. Thanks, bro. Alright, see you.
Bye, Zach.
See you, mate. Oh, what a lovely guy. So, I don't know how much I got caught on film then, because I didn't want to film it and be, you know, I wanted to sort of capture the moment in real time. But he gave me a gift. He gave me this leather wallet, and I didn't want to accept it, and then he didn't want me to pay as well. See, before I sat down to film, I actually gave him a gift. I gave him some Vietnamese dong as like a souvenir from my time when I was in Vietnam. And, you know, it was only something small, and then he gives me this leather wallet. Oh man, that's and how do you say no to that, you know? When someone offers you a gift, you know, you have to accept it. You can't say no. And I said, there's traffic here. I said, well, let me pay for the meal and I'll accept your gift. And he said, okay. But man, what a lovely guy. What a lovely guy. So that ends today's video on an emotional and positive note. So yeah, people are so kind. Malaysia, you have been awesome to me. I love this country. The people here are amazing. Wow, I'm just sort of flabbergasted for words actually. That guy is so nice. I'll leave a link in the description. If you're Malaysian and live here in KL, come and check out their shop. It's amazing. Tell them that Jack sent you. And as always guys, keep it real. Cheers.